Should we try it?
We need to do something, right?
Something, because things are looking kind of nasty later on today. Let's get right into the details here at Overview, and then we'll get into the really in-depth stuff. We're going to see warm and breezy conditions all day. Record high temperatures in the low 70s, winds out of the south gusting over 20 miles an hour. Isolated severe storms here and there possible at any point today, but the greatest severe weather threat will take shape by late this afternoon and this evening. All types of severe weather possible. Damaging straight line winds over 60 miles an hour, tornadoes, large hail more than 1 inch in diameter, all possible, along with flash flooding underneath the heaviest rain and frequent lightning with the strongest thunderstorms as well. So plan on being weather aware as we head through late afternoon and evening especially. Everything is avoiding us for the moment as we start off this morning. We have some thunderstorms way off to our southwest. They're going to be making a run towards us as we head through the morning hours. Scattered showers and thunderstorms this morning, breaking the action around noon, and then the main event takes shape late this afternoon and this evening. Lots of storms out to our west right now. A tornado warning actually in effect right now in north central Arkansas. Tornado watches for southwestern Arkansas into Louisiana. We're not the only ones included in the severe weather risk. This is going to be a large area covered by this potential severe weather threat. But again, for the moment, things are calm around the mid-state. Damp roads, you can see that reflection from the streetlights here over the Music City Center because some of the moisture in the atmosphere has actually condensed directly on the roads because it's so humid outside. Dew points are in the 60s, which is almost unheard of for this time of year, and temperatures are in the 60s. Normal high today is 48 degrees. We're 65 right now, and it's more than an hour before sunrise. We're going to warm up into the low 70s, likely to break a record high temperature. Just an unusual weather pattern overall, including that potential for severe thunderstorms. Here's the morning activity. Moving southwest and northeast again pretty rapidly. It's possible that any one of these individual thunderstorms could find a little pocket of instability and become severe. But again, the primary threat will be later on today. Here's that break in the action around noon. We'll zoom out a bit for early afternoon. Again, a few scattered storms in western Middle Tennessee by early afternoon. 1 or 2 of these could become severe, but the big event will be developing down towards Memphis into northern Mississippi. That's where the greatest tornado threat is going to take shape as the storms initially develop, but that tornado threat isn't going to diminish a lot as those storms move into Middle Tennessee. We have to keep an eye out for that for sure. This particular computer model, and again, we use these models to simulate what the atmosphere is going to do, but no one of them is perfect, puts thunderstorms across the Tennessee River beginning by late afternoon, moves them towards metro Nashville as we head towards about dinner time. Could be as early as the evening commute, could be waiting until 7 or 8 o'clock. There's always some flexibility. We have to wait for the storms to actually develop. Those storms move rapidly from southwest and northeast across the mid-state. These things are going to be moving about 60 miles an hour, some of them close to 70 miles an hour. Just that rapid forward movement means we're going to have our hands full just tracking the storms as they move through. Everything should be east of I-65 by about 9, 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, the severe weather threat does diminish, but the storms don't actually move off the Cumberland Plateau until just after midnight. This is an enhanced risk of severe weather, the way the Storm Prediction Center has categorized it. And again, what that means is it's level 3 out of 5. This could be upgraded to a moderate risk of severe weather within the orange shaded area here, especially west of I-65, primarily for western Middle Tennessee and West Tennessee, where that greatest tornado threat is going to shape up. Now, all this can scare the life out of you, but it's not a guarantee this is going to happen. Meteorology is a science of probabilities, not of guarantees. A lot of different things that can happen to help reduce our severe weather threat. I would love to be wrong about this, but it's always better to plan for the worst and hope for the best in scenarios like this, which means run any holiday errands early in the day. Just plan on staying home, stay plugged into the forecast, stay aware of any warnings that are issued. We'll have them on the air right away, especially tornado warnings. We'll break into programming for that. All warnings are automatically posted to my Twitter feed as well. Just follow me at Paul Hagen, WSMV. Facebook is not a good source of severe weather information because it filters too much out of the feed. Tomorrow's still warm. The warm weather lasts all the way through the weekend. More showers and non-severe storms for Christmas Day.
All right, we're at